What's up guys, it's time to kick off the week on a pretty good Samsung news. Samsung, as we know, is working super hard on the Android 13 based One UI 5.0. It's rumored to have some massive new changes, including a much needed change that's gonna be the main central focus of this update. We've already heard that the first beta of the One UI 5.0 could come out as early as the first week of August, and well, this seems like on track. Yes, according to the latest news, a big firmware is in the works for the Galaxy S22 series, and this could be the One UI 5.0 update. So what is this big change that Samsung is working on? Well, according to sammobile.com, one of Samsung's main focus with the One UI 5.0 is actually improving the performance, animations, and smoothness significantly with a full ground-up change. It's mentioned that Samsung is speeding up the user interface with the team working on significantly improving the UI navigation speed with fully optimized animations that are smoother and faster. Android 13 by default is also offering some speed improvements with better animations as well as faster game loading times. Plus, Samsung is now focusing heavily on the speed part as well, making sure that this keeps on long term. In case you're wondering if your device will get One UI 5.0 update, well, Sammobile has compiled a pretty good list of devices, and you can see pretty much most devices that are in use are supported. Sadly, the OG Galaxy S10 and the Note 10 series won't be getting this update, but let me know if you see your device in this list. And yeah, it seems like One UI 5.0 will be awesome. Now, speaking of awesome, the new BeiSU's 65-watt power strip is here to fulfill all your charging needs. It's got a total of 6 USB ports with up to 65 watt of super fast speed. You can charge 6 devices at the same time, which is amazing. BeiSU's is known to make amazing tech products, and this one is no exception. It's very light and also got an amazing quality. I'm able to fast charge my Galaxy S22 Ultra, my Tab S8 Ultra, a power bank, and my speaker comfortably all simultaneously. The best part about BeiSU's is that compared to the competition, their products are really good for the price, so get yourself a BeiSU's GAN 65-watt power strip today by using the special link in the description. Alrighty, one of Samsung's prime devices for the Unpacked in August is the Z Flip 4, and well, we have the first hands-on real live look of the device in flesh. As you can tell, the device is pretty much the same as last year's model, which is not a bad news because this means that Samsung is actually making the phone even more affordable than before. Yes, a price drop for the Z Flip 4 is expected as said by iSoniverse. One noticeable change that I can see right off the bat is actually with the crease, and as you can see, when it's completely open, it's almost not visible at all. For a potential $899 price, the Z Flip 4 is like a foldable version of the Galaxy S22 without the telephoto lens and a smaller battery, but more class and of course better performance thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. Now lastly, Samsung is bringing a new form of split screen multitasking on the Galaxy Z series. This could be one of the big features of the upcoming One UI 4.1.1 update. It's called Swipe for Split Screen. We don't know if this update will be rolled out for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Maybe this might be specific to the Z Fold 4, but we'll see when this comes out. So as we know, Samsung is the best when it comes to the software for the foldable phones, and with the new foldable Z series, they are bringing this to a whole new level. So that's all the latest news. Samsung's One UI 5.0, their answer to iOS 16, is coming pretty soon. I'm really excited for this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.